Hi guys, if you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. So type hashtag replay. So today I was challenged to do I need to update, but today was Slay May day 12. So I'm doing the ugly color challenge, and the top colors that got picked was obviously these three. So that's what we are going to do today, and I'm going to have a surprise guest too. I had a volunteer who said she wanted to do together, so I said yes, that will be more fun. Hi Pooja, thank you so much for hopping on. So today I think people who are in this side, they all know it was such a gloomy day. Hello, hello, hello. Here, who was here? Let me add Saumya Janavara, scientist with lip sense. So, hello, madam. After office, poor thing, you jumped really after that. Hi,
No,
Priya.
it's fun.
See, Abhita is here. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, guys. I know it's a last minute, what is it, I was still getting adjusted to the new schedule. So for the Slay May, I wanted to enjoy. I didn't want to, force myself to do on time. That is what I am usually like. I'll be on time. I want to be on, do things and finish it off. That's how I will be. Hi, Bob. So I was like, for the Slay May, since I'm going to do, hi, Kiki, since I'm going to do like 31 days, I want to give the time for myself and enjoy doing that. So that's why I thought, okay, I will do based on what time I can to, because my husband was so busy today. So I need to walk cloudy, all those stuff. Then I thought, okay, I will do. So this is the three colors I have. Soumya said she will do something similar. So what she had, hi Deepa, thank you so much. You are still, what is that? I couldn't read it. Can you
So
read it?
it's plum.
Ah,
Plum
next.
is there, and then
Ah,
lilac lacquer is there. Then this is a shadow
obviously.
sense,
Yeah, the neon green
and
shimmer.
at top I have what is it? The
The
papaya
plum
grass.
pumpkin. So she's going to do something similar to that. Let's see how it's going to turn out. So you are going to do a different combo. I am going to do a different combo. So let's see who can make the ugliest combo.
That you win. That definitely you win with all the color.
So nothing like that. See, the consistency is so different between all three. That is
Yeah.
one thing. That's why I swatched it here. Here itself, you can see.
Yeah.
This one is like really thick. Actually, orange soda. That's why sometimes it's really hard to apply. I think Soumya knows. Hi, Gajalashmi. So I always tell her, like, whenever some people select the colors, I will always make sure whether they are a newbie or something. Then I will guide them on the colors how they can choose, because some colors it's little difficult to apply based on the consistency, because each color is made a little different. So that's how it's going to be. So I'm just going to wipe my lip first. I just finished dinner, so and just wiping off. Hi Gayatri, thank you so much for hopping on, guys. So even though I announced it at the last minute, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the orange soda first, because you can see me how I will be like as if I eat a Cheetos.
That's why I
All
told I cannot beat, but I'll try to do something. At least it looks ugly. Hopefully. Let's see.
That one is majestic purple, Deepa. This is the one. So I will read out even the descriptions. What is the orange soda says? The orange soda says.
Thank you, Sandhya. Oh, I started.
Oh yeah, yeah. Go ahead. I wanted. So it obviously says bright neon orange with a pearl finish, and it's a warm frost. So that's why it's thicker. Whenever you have a frost shade, it will be thicker. Anything from caramel apple, bee ruby, all of them will have like a thicker consistency. So good luck to us and how it's going to turn. Let's see. So as I said, it's going to be literally like I ate a bag of Cheetos. That's how I am going to look.
I think a lot of these youngsters, a lot of these youngster kids, they might be buying these colors, right? I don't know.
I know. See, these are more of what's it,
Halloween.
Halloween colors. So you will be able to do pretty much. Like it's more of how you try. I think
Yeah.
people who have more of painting all those stuff, if you have done, then you will know how you can mix these colors. So I am very zero in that part. That's why I am. I wish Deepa, after 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock you should see me.
So now it's a very pretty color which came up. I know.
How can you make something like that in the ugly color challenge?
Let's see, because my only hope is this one.
So see, this is just one layer of orange soda. You can see how dark it is. I mean, how what's it, like a neon color here. But when you do up to 3 layers, that's when it's going to show. Here I made sure I scraped it really well. So these colors can. That's what my son was like. Why you haven't included black? I said actually black will turn each color more pretty. For example, if you have a plum, it is going to turn it into a darker plum. Yeah, that's what it is like. Anytime when you do this kind of colors, it is going to be like what is it, like an experiment. You will find the shade on it. Actually, this snow cone is such a wonderful shade. I don't know whether the camera can pick it, but it has beautiful glitters on it. Let me read the description for it. It is obviously a turquoise color, but it's a bright turquoise blue with a bold shimmer. That's how. So anytime when you have a matte color like bee ruby or plum, this color underline, if you even do one layer of it, thank you guys, thank you so much. That's what, like, until you try, you always feel like it is going to be like I know, like Soumya is anytime she will turn the color into doing 2 or 3 layers and she will make it pretty for sure. So
Thank you.
the consistency of this color is completely different from the orange soda. So that's what I want to show. You can see it's pretty much like a clear color. Do you see that? Like it's so thin and it's so glittery. So anytime you do this color as underneath layer, it's going to look even more pretty with that. What is it, like it is like how we do the pearlizer underneath to give the CCTM a little bit shine. Similar way, this glitter will be shining through the matte shade. So I'm going to do what is this? The snow cone on top of this. So let's see.
I'll use my lilac lacquer now.
Similar to the lilac lacquer, I think since you've been using it for quite a while, you know the consistency, Soumya. Lilac lacquer is a very thin consistency one. So even though they all are lip colors, they are not made the same way due to the pigments it is going to be different from each other. So I'm going to do this one. It is such a pretty shade actually. It has so much glitter. If you're someone who likes glitter, this is a perfect shade. Here comes it is. Yeah, now you can see the glitter here until I layer the thing. But you can see it's very thin consistency unless you want to go like a thick layer. Yeah. Now I'm into the ugly color now. I hope anybody don't take the screenshot when I'm laughing. Even it will be scary for me to see. I upload this in YouTube, right, it will clearly pick that shot when you don't want to see. I think when you upload it, it takes like a minute to process. Then you will understand, okay, it is picking the worst shot in the whole video. See, now they all saw the color and they all kept quiet. They all were like, no, we are not into this. We didn't sign up for this. That's how they are feeling.
Actually, first when you put the orange, right, it was really pretty.
I
Like,
know.
like,
No, this is actually, that's what I'm saying. No, it's really hard to pick this glitter in person until, hi Juhi, until you see it in person. But this color will, see Avita, that's how you should be. I'm going to send this color for you as your next thing. Yes, we
April.
say Christmas in July, right? Similar way, it's Halloween in April. Thanks, Pooja. As long as at least we look for the ugly thing, that's what the challenge is about. So at least we are going closer to that.
The only tool I have.
Yeah, see, she is doing the shadow sense. The only difference will be when you are doing shadow sense as your lip color, you want it to let it dry. Otherwise, it's going to be, what's it like when you do the gloss or something. What, Abhita? Your live people will be so excited when you see the picture, and you will have more viewers by that. Next time, see that this is the color I'm going to do when I wear your jewelry and send you a picture also, and I'm going to force you to post it in your page.
No, thing will be so many people will go and look at it. Maybe it will actually.
So the last one is obviously the majestic purple. I'm going to do. I'm going to do the
Abhi is angry.
What, Abhi? I'm doing a favor for you. It's a rich royal matte purple color with, it's a cool matte color. So obviously it's the matte shade, you can see. I am going to take a disposable vial. Ah, see, somebody is doing half and half and half. Yeah. So we even have a, what Abhi, I thought I will do even a purple mascara and then send you. Now you are discouraging me after getting into the live. Yes, orange was actually pretty, Juhi, because it was just one layer. So now I'm going to seal it with the purple. What is she saying? I would love to post you. Of course. Free, Abhi. I won't charge you anything.
Oh, Abhi, do you remember this? Finally, I wore it today. I forgot. Finally, I wore it today.
You did half and half. My half and half will be like this.
Yeah, up and down, yeah.
You will never, Divya. See, that's what evening lights are all about. It's about stress buster for whoever getting off of their stressful office day. They have to come and laugh here.
Purpose served. It's really scary.
Who said that?
Oh, Ketki.
Kavita, hope if she cries in the middle of the night, I am not responsible for that. Yeah. Do you see the underlining shine from that snow cone? Actually, this is a matte shade, but you can see how it has made it like a peacock purple kind of. Like,
That's what I was about to say. It looks like peacock purple.
yeah.
I think Bob has that shade, right? Someone
Yeah,
has.
I think Manas also has it. I think very few people have it actually.
Yeah.
But that's how it is.
Oh, Juhi, thank you.
She's very sportive. She just pinged me like 30 minutes before and she was like, can I hop on? I was like, welcome, please.
I think I
It's
should
always more the merrier. So,
okay.
so I think I really like how it turned out.
It's actually looking good. It's not looking ugly. Honestly, at this stage, it's not looking ugly.
Yeah, I mean, see that the concept. That's what I'm saying. The concept is, if you have a glittery shade, even whether it is different, you can see. It's like this is completely matte. It doesn't have any glitter at all. So this underlying glitter has made this color into a like a pearly finish to it. So that's the beauty. Yeah, thanks, Juhi. So any gloss suggestion? I can do anything, or I can just do glossy, or a matte gloss, anything, or a diamond gloss if you want to make it more glittery. Then Abhi, then you need to post the pictures in your page. Don't even comment. Or else wherever I'm posting, I will tag you for sure. Either accept it's ugly look.
Not her, Abharna. Tag Abharna.
No, that's what I'm saying. So it is like if you. Oh, she wants to see the color.
I don't.
Soumya, I mean, I think you need to tilt your phone a little bit lower.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you want to? Then I will check by tonight. Don't even forget it. See, I'm going to top it with the even more pearlier glass. Soumya, I think you would have loved this one. I don't think it's anywhere. It's more anywhere, but it's called Tahitian Pearl. This is again a very pretty glass. It's such a pretty glass.
Yeah. Is it like again, pearl glass?
It's with lot of glitters.
Okay.
Like,
nice. Yeah.
It's a very pretty color, but it has so much. See, even though it's like a purple color, it has turquoise glitter inside. So that's why I'm going to top it off with this. Since we did turquoise. Yes.
Actually, mine is looking pretty. It's not looking that ugly though. I wanted it to look ugly. I mean, I'm not very pretty, but so it's not looking ugly.
Every week we need to hop on and create how much we can create like an ugly combo.
Yeah.
That way people can get the stress busted. Yeah. Now it's looking creepy as it's darker. Abhita, that is what the purpose is, to create an ugly combo, and we want you to post it because that's how we want it to be tagged. Hi, Rancy.
Okay. Hi, Rancy.
Half and half, Soumya, do pictures and send you both. Yes. No, Kiki, that is the purpose, right? So we want to know how we can create an ugly challenge. She wish it was like a morning time. You can see how much it is glittery. It is like the camera will never pick how much glittery it is, whether here in the bottle or here, because it has beautiful glitters. That's okay, Abhi. That's okay. Being our friends, it is all part of it.
Okay, now I hope you can see. Like I'm just stretching. I don't know. This thing is
Yes.
not because I'm. Yeah. Abhi, go ahead.
Scary. See, I think I'm only winning because Soumya, see, everybody said that. Yes, Kiki, you can say that it's a pre-Halloween dress up we are planning because it is like a how many months we have? May, June, July, August, September, October. We have 5 months to get ready ahead of us. That way we can prepare so many of the ugly combos and then send. Oh, mine is freeze.
No, I can see you.
Mine is working only. I don't know. Somebody.
I can see you.
Yeah. Oh, you want me to freeze?
Oh. Okay.
Did you take it? No, see, that's what I wanted to say in the color group because the gloss I picked is like in between of these two. Oh, you want to take a picture, Abhi? I don't know whether you took a picture or not.
Let's pose.
One. Wait, let me take one too. Ready? Yes, I took. So I was telling Kavita. So Kavita, if you see the gloss I picked had like a purplish tint, but it has like a turquoise glitter in it. So that's the reason I picked this gloss to go with these two on top. Otherwise, the underlying color will not show up at all. So that's the reason I did that. And I hope we both at least achieved to an extent to find the ugly combo. Thank you, Soumya. It was so nice of you to hop on with me to do that.
Maybe now it will become ugly.
Yeah, see, because shadows
It's
need little bit more time for it to settle.
Yeah, dry.
Yes, because it's cream to powder, you need to give some more time for it to let it dry because you have done on top of the lip sense too. Your husband is going to be scared when you step out of this and
That's why I have to remove it before I step.
He will be like, what happened to you? I thought so far you have been creating.
For lilac lacquer itself, he tells someone punched on your face.
No, that's what like these colors are always help you to step out. For example, the purple. I think if you underline it, how you always do for the lilac lacquer. So if you are even having a pink or something, then topping it as an underlying layer will really. Maybe tomorrow, if I think anyway I'm hopping on. For tomorrow's look, I will do this one with some combo to show how you can use this color. That way you guys can see how this color can change the tone of the other colors that goes on top. And similarly I can even use the candy apple green, something like that, to show it. Sometimes it's after all a lip color. That's what I keep saying, that there is nothing going to be wrong or it's going to be permanent or something. It is easy. It's end of day you're going to just remove it. So why not have the fun and enjoy while it is there. So thank you so much for hopping on, Soumya. So
Thank you.
Let's pick the winner for the giveaway. Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Da. Thank you so much for hopping on.
How do I leave? Oh, I just close it. Okay.
Yes.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. So are you guys ready to pick the winner? I will just clean up this space a little bit so that I can show my laptop. I have all the entries here. So I was asked by a person, like just before she asked me, like, do I have to be in the live to pick? My lives are not like that. So I don't expect the person to be in live, even though if they are a winner, because usually if you all know, I used to do even in the mornings or sometimes whenever I am convenient. It's not that I will announce priorly to pick the winner. And the purpose itself is to make someone happy. That is the purpose I am giving away these gifts. And just by saying if you are not going to be there, I'm not giving. We all have our own schedule and so many other things that goes on. So never worry about it in my life. Let me show you how many I have. You can see there are like tons of entries. I made sure I counted 2-3 times before uh, coming up here. It has 277 entries totally. So I'm going to shuffle. That way not every name is closer to each other. So you all will get a good chance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times to shuffle. Okay. Now everybody's names gets dispersed evenly. That way it makes it even chances for anyone who has entries. I have given entries for every $25 you spent. So I have pretty much included every person's name. So good luck to everyone. So let me spin it. Kusma. Kusuma won the raffle. So congratulations, Kusuma. So she will get the basket full of goodies. I have it here. I just sent her something last week. I mean, her pencils. So congratulations, Kusuma. So you will get the pearlizer and the lip sense and everything. She was just saying she's what's the like she always asks me like, how do I win? It is fair chance that I gave it to everybody. So you are the winner. Anyway, you are a pearlizer queen. So we can expect more and more from you. Maybe I can ask you what is it like a pearlizer video again for next month so that you can show guys how you can use this pearlizer highlighter, and everyone will be interested to learn from you, obviously. So all these will be shipped to you, Kusuma. So congratulations once again. You are always what is it like giving so many people. So see when you it all obviously came back to you. So and thank you so much for whoever hopped on. So today is Slay day 12. I still have 19 more days in May. Today was just my what's it like second day, and so second day after I stopped, and the thing was I have shipped most of your packages already, but only thing is I forgot to send the tracking info. I'm so sorry. I'm still catching up, and I will definitely send you guys by tomorrow. And uh, I was busy entering all the giveaway entries today, so that's why I couldn't do the tracking. So that's the thing, but I will make sure I will send out all the what's it like tracking details and also the videos how I used to do. So I those people who package got shipped, they will all get it tomorrow. And tomorrow another package of mine is coming, so they will I will be start packing it. I think I have another 15 orders that will be going out tomorrow, so I will do it the tracking for that tomorrow. And if you have ordered last 3 days before I closed, that was somewhere anywhere from Friday to Monday, then your package will be only I think either Saturday or next week only. So bear with me. I will make sure I will send out as soon as possible, because I have already kept everything ready. So once it reaches, I will immediately ship it out. So thank you so much for all the support, guys. Without you, I wouldn't have made Ruby consecutively for 2 times. It really what is it like something I wished for. And I got the Ruby catalog too that I'm going to post so that you guys can tell me which one looks good. So have a wonderful day. Thank you so much, Soumya, once again for hopping on, and thank you so much, guys. Hope you all had a good laugh. That's what we aim for also. So enjoy your night and see you tomorrow morning. Tomorrow is day 13. It's about my goals. So let's talk about it tomorrow. Thank you, guys.